Namaste and hello there. My name is Abhijit. This is second session of our series Microsoft SQL Server Administration. In the last session, we have seen SQL Server versions since its version in 1990 until recent version of 2019. Today, we will understand different editions of Microsoft SQL Server developed till now with its licensing model and pricing. Let's start with different editions of SQL Server available in the market with their use. Enterprise. SQL Server Enterprise is a top-end edition with all features available, which provides high-end data center capabilities with fast performance, end-to-end business intelligence for mission-critical workloads. This edition is widely used in almost all production environments across globe. It is main and most used SQL Server edition in the market. Standard Edition. SQL Server Standard Edition has less features than Enterprise. It used when no advanced features are required to deliver basic data management and business intelligence features for small organizations. So it is used for small scale applications with limited features than Enterprise Edition. Web Edition. SQL Server Web Edition designed for web applications such as mobile apps and web-based apps. This is low-cost product, provides scalability, manageability for small to large organizations. So it is used in mobile apps and web-based applications with very limited features than Enterprise and Standard Edition. Developer Edition. Developer Edition has all features of Enterprise Edition but licensed for use as a development and testing server. It is upgradable to Enterprise without reinstalling the server. So SQL Server Developer Edition lets developer build and test any kind of application on top of SQL Server. Developer Edition can be upgradable to Enterprise Edition without reinstalling by just purchasing a license of Enterprise Edition. Express Edition. Express Edition is free entry-level server with very limited features than Enterprise. It is ideal for learning and building a small desktop applications. It is free, but drawbacks are it can handle maximum 10 GB database and doesn't offer SQL Server Agent services. So if you want to practice only SQL queries and store data for your small application, then this is an ideal edition for you. Now the last edition, that is Enterprise Evaluation. Enterprise Evaluation is a great way to get fully functional and free instance of SQL Server for learning and developing solutions. It has built-in expiry of 6 months. It is an evaluation edition with built-in expiry of 6 months. That is, it automatically stops working after 6 months from the day it is installed. If you want to learn SQL Server administration and development, you must download and install this edition to practice on it. Now these are some retired editions of SQL Server from the market. Business Intelligence, Data Center and Workgroup are some of them. Moving on to SQL Server licensing and pricing. SQL Server can be licensed or purchased with two methods: license per server and license per core of the server with a minimum 4 core license. That means license per server or license per core. Core is a part of CPU which processes data. One core can work on one task while another core can work on different tasks simultaneously. So more the number of cores, more is the processing speed of the CPU. License per core requires minimum 4 core CPU to be licensed. Now provided below is the rough estimate of pricing of SQL Server editions. If you want to purchase it, then you need to buy it for the number of cores you will be using in your CPU. And if you want to use it for some time, then you can use it per server per month basis. Enterprise Edition can cost around $7,100 per core in retail price, whereas monthly charge per server is around $2,000 per month. Standard Edition costs around $1,800 per core and per server monthly charge is $530 per month. Web Edition costs around $40 per month per server and is not available in retail market. Developer and Express editions are free as we discussed earlier. For more and specific information on licensing and pricing, please visit Microsoft portal. So this is all for today. We will download and install SQL Server Evaluation Edition in next session. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, keep learning and take care.